Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to reply to Sendit on Snapchat. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is open Snapchat on your device or the story or the snap that someone has sent you with the Sendit link. As you can see over here, there is a story with a Sendit link and a question. Now to reply to this Sendit, you'll simply tap on the link that is provided down below, tap on it and tap to reply. After that, tap on continue. It will redirect you to Sendit's website. After that, under the text box, simply type out your answer. After that, tap on send it. And then your reply to the Sendit will be sent to this user. And this is how you can reply to a Sendit on Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.